Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing a really cool product that we got from Amazon Basics. It's one of their lightweight aluminum tripods. Now, if I've got any budding photographers on here, you would know that there will be points in your shooting career where you're going to think to yourself, damn it, I wish I had a tripod. But those things can be really expensive. So Amazon Basics has an option which is actually very pocket friendly and will gives you all of the basics that you would need. That's why Amazon Basics. So having said that, let's just quickly go ahead and unbox the new Amazon Basics tripod. In case you're wondering about the specifics of this thing, well, this is a tripod that offers you about 50 inches in total length. So that's pretty amazing because 50 inches is about 4.5 feet, and that should be good for most purposes. What's really nice is that Amazon actually bundles a carrying case, this nice little sleeve in the box itself. This is really helpful, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, let's just get the shrink wrap off. Okay. Now the aluminum tripod itself also comes with a head, which is really cool because a lot of tripods will require that you buy the mounting head separately, and it's a basic tilt and swivel head, goes in all three directions, not bad, and the tripod itself is super compact when it's folded all the way in. You could actually just throw it in your backpack and carry it around. It's no longer than the length of a 15-inch laptop, or maybe a little longer, but you get the idea. Now, coming to the case is helpful, especially if you want to carry this around in areas where it rains, or if you're at the beach, etc. When the sand gets in the feet, you just put the tripod in its designated bag and you will not get sand in your equipment bag. That's why it's helpful. The tripod itself extends to 50 inches in total height through way of these three sections. So the legs have three expandable sections like so. I'm not going to open this all the way, and the load capacity of this tripod is about 2.5 kilos. So overall, like if you have a mirrorless camera or a really nice point and shoot camera, or even an entry-level DSLR with, let's say, a kit lens, you should be able to get away by using this tripod for it. It'll allow you to basically expand your photography horizon into the low light setting, which means if you want to shoot in low light, let's say you want to shoot light streaks, you want to shoot landscape at night, this should be able to get you started. Of course, as you move up the ladder in terms of your photography experience, you would eventually also want to upgrade the tripod, but this is an excellent starting point, the Amazon Basics tripod, which offers you 50 inches worth of total height and also a head included in the box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.